Hey guys, this is my Motospeed CK61 keyboard. It's a red switch mechanical keyboard, and okay, so here we have the keyboard. Now it's got red switch keys, which are also individually backlit, which is great, right? So here's the key, and they're all individually backlit, which is just nice to have. And yeah, normal red switch, nothing too special. Alright, so that's that. Now, the keyboard itself, we've got a couple RGB modes, 14 to be exact. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what was I again? 7, 8. So yeah, a couple RGB modes. This one and that one, and also every and remember, for every RGB mode there is, by pressing FN down arrow, there's also you can also press Control to change the color. So for example, I want this RGB mode and I want to have a different color: green, blue, yellowish green, I guess, purple, blue, different shade of blue, and then rainbow. So decent amount of colors and different modes. It's like 14 modes, 7-8 colors, pretty good. Keyboard itself looks pretty good. Got the body of it. I'll show you the body. Now we're using the Usbc, which is great. You know, none of that shitty micro USB-C. So what? None of that shitty micro USB. That should go to hell. That horrible connection. But yeah, my USB-C is great. Cable's great. Lasted me around a year. Actually longer now, actually. And yeah, it's good. Got the back. Alright. Looks pretty standard. Got the rubber stand. Also, this keyboard is tiny. Like, you know, I can compare this to, you know, something like an Xbox Series X controller, right? And it's like not much bigger at all. Like, very small keyboard. Like, look at that, 2 keyboards. So yeah, it's 60% keyboard, and it's tiny. You know, switches feel great. Great switches. They feel good and responsive, and you'll see that in the keyboard test, the sound test. Here. So I got 42 words per minute. Now I'm not the fastest typer, but I know that I can get at least 55, 58 words per minute on my other keyboard. So it's not the best for typing, but it is more focused on gaming, and so take that into consideration. It's better for gaming, not so much typing, because the keys aren't very like, it's got a big travel distance, the keys, but that's alright. I think it's good for gaming, definitely. Like, it's very satisfying.